So this is Patrick Anderson and Anthony Shumate, our second assignment for mobile systems programming. This is just the basic login screen. We already have the credentials put in. Go ahead and hit login. So when you log in, it tries to center on your GPS location. If you don't want to wait for that, you can use your network location, which is a little less accurate, or you can just use the last known location stored by your GPS. Go ahead and just hit whatever. So we're using last known location because we're inside. And so it pulls up your last known location and centers on it, zooms in fairly well, and shows you all other users who are logged in who are within a 1 kilometer radius of you. So go ahead and zoom in on those other users. You're the red icon, they're the blue icons. We have another phone logged in with John, so see if you can find John. I believe it's one of those there. There we go, that's John. It shows his distance from you, his latitude and longitude, some other information.
And distances in kilometers.
Yeah. So if we want to send him a message, go ahead and hit send message.
So view messages.
View messages. I don't think you clicked it. Oh, there. Okay. So if we want to send John a message, go ahead and just click send him a message, and I'll pan over to the other phone. So over here on John, we've got a thread in each message activity that refreshes about every 10 seconds, refreshes messages. So if we wait for that thread to update, there it is. We can see Rob's message. A little bit of a misspelled, what's up? And we can also reply if the phone will cooperate. Oh, there it goes. We pan back here to Rob. Wait for it to refresh. And that's a variable that we can change in the code. We just didn't want it constantly pulling and sucking down battery for this assignment. So we can see John's response. So if we go back to the map, there's some other cool features. We can do things like change the radius of people that it's looking for. So say we want to look 10 kilometers. And as you can see, it has populated some more people. We want to zoom out even more. There we go. It's got some people quite a ways away. Shows this guy is a good 6.5 kilometers away. What are some of the other features that we got here?
Change the map type.
Oh yeah, so if you just want to see a map instead of a satellite picture, and this might take a second to load. Oh, there it goes. Okay.
And also refresh everyone's location, including yours. So it's just the same as when you logged in. So we'll just go ahead and click use last known. And no one's location really updated because no one else is logged in right now. But if several people were logged into the app and their location had updated, it would have shown.
Okay, so if you want to go ahead and log out, we'll show them. We kind of skipped over this part at the beginning because we wanted to get to the meat of it, but we also have some checks for logging in. So if you put in an incorrect password, so go ahead and just add something to that password. It'll tell you that that's incorrect. And if you try to create a new user with the same username as an already existing user, it tells you that as well.
You can create a new user account as well.
And it also checks when you create a new user, you're required to use a password. It checks for null or empty password strings.
So registration was successful. And now log in. So that's pretty much it. Since GPS is being slow, might as well just use network location. So as you will probably notice that it's a very rough estimate. Actually, that was pretty good. That was pretty close to our location.
So, and that's about it.